So that's actually a really popular myth. You can still cook with extra virgin olive oil and it be perfectly healthy and fine for you to consume. I usually reserve my good quality ones for finishes and dishes just because the flavor is unmatched. And I'll use some of my cheaper extra virgin olive oils to cook with. I do have a lot of variations of extra virgin olive oil, but it's perfectly safe to cook with and it's really great to cook with. So that's one thing. The other thing, other oils like avocado oil has a really high boiling point. So if I were to like pan fry anything, if I'm making like an eggplant parmesan or something like that, I'm usually going to be frying that in avocado oil. It's a little bit cheaper. I can use a little bit more, but I don't want to like waste my extra virgin olive oil on, an inch or two of oil if I'm just going to be frying things because I really want that flavor to be there. Those are really the two I recommend the most. Extra virgin olive oil being the best because of its polyphenol content. And it's amazing for antioxidants in your diet. It's amazing for reducing inflammation. It's amazing just all around. So that is the one I recommend the absolute most. I don't really see a need to get all of these different oils because if we're having oil on a daily basis, that's a really good opportunity to make sure that we're getting a good bit of extra virgin olive oil to reduce our risk of a lot of conditions and help our health, our heart health along the way.